Hi to everyone. I'm Rosie and I'm making jewelry from leather and metals. But being stuck in home with the situation now, I decided to make flowers from denim and make some jewelry and decoration, and I would like to show you how we can make this in home, so to have some fun. The materials that we need are paper, pen, scissors, cotton, needles and denim, some old jeans, whatever you find in home. Well, the first thing that we're gonna to do, or I make now, it's to make these squares with different sizes. I put here the numbers for you. This is the sizes that I choose. And to make the shape of the leaves. Now, depend from the size of the square, it's the size of the flower. So to be more easy for you, I will show you like this with the biggest one, which is 4 by 4.5 centimeters. The flower is big like this. And the smallest one, it's that size. How big you're gonna to make them, that's depend of you. I just choose some sizes and I make them to try, so to have the different flowers for my decoration in the future. Well, first things, after you have them, after you draw them, it's coming in and you cut them, you must know how to put them on the material. When you turn the material from the other side, you can see the lines there in two directions. As you can see on my flowers, they finishing in that way. This could be blue or could be white, like this. This depends of the way how you're gonna to put them on the textile before you cut them. So you can see this is the one direction and that's the other way. Just need, before you started to cut them and to put them on the textile, just you need to find exactly the line that you're gonna to put the leaves. You choose some of the size of the leaves and you cut 4 or 5 of them, because you can make the flowers from 5 leaves or from 4 leaves. Your choice. After I cut the flowers, what I'm doing, it's with one needle, I'm turning the flower and I'm starting to take some of the cottons. That way. Because I choose that my flower will be with blue, just like that one. It's more interesting how to make it here, so we just make like that. That small corner here we make just like this. Okay, you can see a little white, that's not a problem. Just like that, careful. And after this we take the scissors and we make the form just like that. Well, after you have all 5 or 4 of the leaves, finishing the way you want, with blue or white, you take the needle and you started to make them like that. To be more easy for me, that's the way I like it. I'm just making, finishing like that, so it's not moving. Like that. So I can take the next one. It's not necessary to hold the previous, and I can go on making the same. Second one. Again. This. That's the nice part, when you started to see how the flower is showing up. Three. I will make my flower from 5 leaves, just like that. Again, I will stop it here. And number 5. Stopping it. And making like that. Now, what we need to do after we have it like this is, here I'm turning them on the back and I catch the leaves here on the back like that. Like I would. Well, oh, come on. Like that. So, to look like that. I will make like this, the 5 of them. It's look better. I will take some of the one that are already, I finished with them. Here it's with 4 and 5. I think they would look, they small ones. Now you can use them like a single flower, like it's here, or you can make double one on top of each other. It depends. The last things that I make for the flower to look finished is I make that center here. So for that we need to make just circles, different sizes, whatever you choose. You can make with big, you can make bigger one or smaller, depend. And here is the moment to say that I forgot to tell you what more we need for this. It's one of these. It's a sponge. Okay, the way to make them, it's easy, just like that. I have one small piece already cut here. I will make it a little bit smaller, just like that. I will put it inside. And let me see. It's a little bit small, so I should have cut it. I will put these pieces too. Well, and here is our center for the flower. I will make it a few more stitches just to hold it still, to not move. Just like that. Here is, and we're taking one of the flower and we'll put it just like that. And go around all the flower. One more time here. Like that. We will turn the flower. Finish off. Make like this, and I wrap the cotton 3 times and I pull it up. And now it's close. I always like after this to pass just like this. I don't like when I cut the cotton and you can see it, so I make like that and then I cut the cotton. Yeah. So here's our flower. It's our single one. Like I told you, you can make double, triple, whatever you want, from 3, from 4 leaves. What I made too, it's a few that are only half of the flowers. It's because of the way that I want to show you some designs of for what you can use them. It's from 4, from 3 leaves,